Hey there, Frugal Fox fam. Are you tired of watching your hard-earned money slowly tick away in a regular bank account with negligible interest? It's time to take a leap into the world of high-yield savings accounts. Today, we're diving into why you should stop using a regular bank and how to open and maximize a high-yield savings account, or HYSA. First off, let's understand what a HYSA is. Unlike traditional savings accounts with interest rates that barely keep up with inflation, HYSAs offer significantly higher interest rates, meaning more money in your pocket. Imagine earning 10 to 20 times more interest without lifting a finger. So why stick with a regular bank? It's often inertia, but breaking free can lead to real financial gains. Ready to take the plunge? Here's how to open your HYSA. Step 1. Compare rates. Don't settle for the first option. Research online to find the most competitive interest rates. Banks and credit unions often adjust these rates, so find one that's higher than the national average to get the most bang for your buck. Step 2. Check the fine print. Look out for fees and balance requirements that can eat into your profits. Some accounts might require direct deposits or have monthly maintenance fees. Choose one that aligns with your financial habits and goals without hidden costs. Step 3. Transfer your funds wisely. Decide how much you want to start with. Most HYSAs have no minimum requirements, so you can begin with as little or as much as you prefer. Maybe set a goal, like transferring a certain amount each month, maximizing your growth potential. Now, how to maximize your HYSA? Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to make saving a no-brainer. Treat your HYSA like a digital envelope for specific goals, whether it's an emergency fund, a vacation, or a new car. Also, regularly review your account. With fluctuating rates, it's wise to periodically check if you're still getting the best deal. Switch accounts if you find a better rate elsewhere. Your money should work for you, not the other way around. Remember, financial freedom isn't just a dream, it's a strategy. And with a high-yield savings account, you're taking a smart step forward. So dig in, explore your options, and watch your savings soar. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stay frugal, foxes.